In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how you can find the best niches to use on Redbubble. And to make it a little bit more interesting, I'm actually going to set myself a 5-minute challenge to see how many niches I can find live for you guys as I'm making this video. If you guys are ready for that, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into this. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how to improve your print-on-demand shops. If you haven't already, please do take a moment to click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bells. That way you won't miss out on any future videos. We've helped a lot of people make their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. And for those who don't know, down in the description, I also have a free print-on-demand starter guide that featured all the information I used when I first started getting sales online myself. However, if you are someone looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down in the description. So niches, the main topic that everyone always wants to know about. How do we find them? How do we get good ones? And how do we potentially get sales from them? So this is what I'm going to be talking about in this video before setting myself a little challenge, which will be coming soon. I mean, there's various ways of finding niches. If you're starting out on Redbubble, this is the home page you're pretty much going to see, and directly from the home page you can start by using the obvious method. So this is the method I spoke about, so the A to Z method. You literally type in a letter and you will be shown suggestions, as you can see here. That's one way of finding niches. As it stands at the moment, because of so many spam tagging, I would recommend for people to search a couple of letters in. That way, the amount of spam taggers are less. I mean, if you go into, for example, this Aboriginal people, I'm guessing that the results may not be too crazy. So as you can see, there's 2,000 results, which isn't too bad. I would prefer to go things with less results than that. But if we're comparing it to the amount of results that would usually pop up on Redbubble, as you can see, there's 27 million results. So 2,000 obviously is a lot less in competition. Nevertheless, the methods I'm going to be using to find niches will be the first method that I showed you guys. So the A to Z method. And then the tab method you guys can see here. Now the tab method is something that's inbuilt into Redbubble. Literally, I clicked search, we can see tabs here, and yeah, I'm going to be attempting to find low competition niches. What I'll class as low competition niches are niches with less than 1,000 results for this video. So in short, the challenge will be, how many low competition niches can I find in 5 minutes? If you want to join along with me, open up another tab on Redbubble. Let's do this together. And if you do join along, let me know down in the comment section how many niches you find. Okay guys, so I'm going to set my timer starting now. Right, okay, 5 minutes started. Right, let's see. I will go with let's go with dog. Dog is a popular niche. A lot of people search things under this. So we've got Pitbull, Poodle, Corgi. Seen a lot of Corgi based things. Maybe I should have gone down the puppy route. Lab mum. Do you know what? I'm gonna go back, see if I can go down the puppies route. I feel like I will get some nice opportunity there. Dog Mountain. What's this? I've never seen Dog Mountain before. 11,000. So we're dropping Dog Anatomy. So this could be like posters. So we're getting lower, 3,000. Let's see. Come on, best dog basset hound. I do not know what that is. It's usually a good sign. Apparently not. We're not less than 1,000. Listing. Let's see. 1,600. No, not good enough. Relocation. All right, boom. Okay, first niche found. So relocation. I'm gonna pin it so we can come back to it. Open up another Redbubble tab. And I'm gonna look to see if we can find more from the start. Right, I'm 1 minute in, I found one. Okay, if we can get 5, I will be beyond happy. So back to the start. Let's see, legendary animals, culture, cinema, occupations. Once again, I'm trying to think of things that people may potentially buy. Programmer, teacher, military. I feel like programmer is a good shout because programmers are usually on the internet, so they may most likely be looking for things in relation to stuff they like. Dev, I feel like that's something that might not have a lot of competition when it comes to certain things. Nope, I'm definitely going to change route. Computer science, Python, I'm not sure what Python is. Coder, can we have something under coder? Hopefully. Oh wow, artificial intelligence, robots, software, machine learning. I might come back to machine learning. Come on. 4,000. Okay, we're still up. What's time saying? We're 2 minutes in. I feel like I'm getting myself stuck here. Behavior analysis, and I can't even say the word. Nevertheless, results have dropped. Not low enough though. School, psych. Oh, I'm not too sure what this is. I'm gonna go back. I think I saw deep learning. Come on, deep learning. You need to be the savior. Come on, less than 1,000. Nope. Still going. Data, trigonometry. It's a lot harder than I thought, but I'm not gonna stop. We're not gonna give up. Spreadsheet, statistician. I feel like for spreadsheets something could pop up here. Right, okay. Accounting student. Nope, that would be too big. I can feel it in my bones. That would have too much competition. Math lovers. That's gonna have a lot of competition. Love math tutoring. A lot of competition. Oh, what? How's tutoring not got a lot of competition? Okay, that's the second one found. We're 3 minutes in. I'm trying to get to 5. If I can get to 5, I'm happy, right? I'm going to change up the method. Let's start from Z. I'm going to put Z-A, Z-E. Nope. I would go in alphabetical order, but I'm just trying to think of interesting letters. T-A, Taekwondo, martial arts. Okay. What is it telling us? It's trending, and hopefully it doesn't have too many spam taggers. A lot of results. Love Taekwondo. I'm gonna go off the suggested tabs. Boom, number 3 found. So love Taekwondo. I'm guessing that is something certain people look for. We've got a minute. I'm on 3 and we've got a minute left. I'm gonna go S-E-S-A. Come on, we can do this. SL, eat, sleep, chair, repeat. Come on, please. Oh, the timer's nearly there. Eat, sleep, chair, repeat for cheerleaders. We're in there. 30 seconds. Can I get one more in 30 seconds? Right, okay. Living that chair life. I'm sticking to the cheerleader niches. Should have changed it up there. We're on 5. I don't know if I have time to go back to the start. I'm gonna go G. Oh, golden mandala slot. I don't know what this is, but at 152, I'm claiming it. I might have to check if that's trademark, but I think I'm gonna call it there. That's it, guys. That was, I don't know how you guys felt about it, but for me, that was intense. I managed to find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 niches. The cheerleader ones were a bit iffy because I don't know why. I just decided to go with another cheerleader one, which I'm sure took me to 5. But let's just quickly recap what I found here. So the first niche was relocation. So I'm going to quickly show you guys how you can also trademark check these if you want to make sure that they're safe. In fact, not even if you want to, it's important to do this. Right, let's do this. So the first one was relocation. So I'm guessing this is to do with people that may be potentially looking to move. So I'm going to copy that, put that in trademark here. Right, okay, because we're seeing things that are registered, they may not even be clothing based or t-shirt based. I'm going to take this away. I'm not going to count it because things have showed up here for registered trademarks. So we're not going to count relocation. So that drops us down to 5. I'm going to check again for tutoring. I really do hope nothing pops up for tutoring here. It will be painful if it does. Please no. Right, so we've got tutoring. Obviously, you might be able to get away with it, but anything that shows information here, I'm going to take it away from the list. So this is going to drop me down to 4. Oh, okay. It's getting serious. So from 6 to 4. Love Taekwondo. There's no way this is trademark. Please, there's no way. Whew. Right, okay, that one's safe. I'm gonna check eat, sleep, chair, repeat with 406 results. Come on, please have no sort of trademarks registered or anything. We get away with that one. So we're currently on 2 confirmed. Living that chair life. Looks like the cheerleading niches may just about save this. So let's search. Oh, yep, we get away with that. So 3 confirmed. And then the final one. Oh, I wasn't too sure about this one. I felt like this may have been something that would have a trademark, but we're about to find out. Oh, okay. Oh, so it doesn't. I'm not too sure what this is related to. Obviously, I'm seeing a person here, so I wouldn't put like the picture of the person as is. I may just put a text-based design, something similar to this, just with a text. But by the looks of things, it looks like we found 4 confirmed niches with no sort of trademarks or anything. Love Taekwondo, 669 results. Eat, sleep, chair, repeat with 406. Living that chair life with 34 results, which is crazy. 34 is very low. And then Go Coalfield with 152 results. I'm a bit iffy about this one. If you guys know anything about ice hockey, let me know. Nevertheless, I found pretty much 4 solidified niches in 5 minutes. Wanted a little bit more, but it is what it is. And if I can do it this quick, so can you guys. That is how you can find the best niches. Let me know how many niches you come out with. So find niches and then use trademarkier.com to trademark check them to see if they're safe. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave this video here. Comment down, challenge accepted if you've made it to this point of the video. I'll try to respond to as many of you guys as possible. And always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.